BTS Jungkook issue ang paninigarilyo. Bawat galaw ng 7 miyembro ng BTS ay siguradong big deal. Sa madaling salita, nagiging issue. Ganito nga ang nangyayari ngayon kay Jungkook. Ang American celebrity gossip website na Lainey Gossip ay nag-release ng mga photo ni BTS Jungkook. Makikita na naninigarilyo ito sa labas ng kilalang dining spot sa Los Angeles, USA ang machohista. Favorite hangout place ito ng mga celebrities. At sa pangyayaring ito, may mixed reaction talaga ang mga netizen, may nagsabing cool nasa edad na. May disappointed at may mga nag-aalala. Ang ibang ARMY naman pakiramdam daw nila, mas hot pa si Jungkook na makitang noggy smoke. Narito ang magkakahalong reaction na ng mga netizen. People crying over Jungkook smoking. Korean without cigarette is same a angel without wings. I have a lineup of K-pop idols that smoke and my dream is they become a super group and take over the industry. It's why Paponal are stressed about Jungkook smoking if anything. I want him to blow the smoke in my face. Say it louder girl cause he was so hot for this yes. I really want a content from him like this It's none of our business anyway, but romanticizing it is not the way to go. At the end of the day, it's still bad for you in many ways. That being said, he's a grown man. He can do what the hell he wants. 26 na si Jungkook pero dahil din sa lumabas na photo niya na ito habang nasa LA, nag-resurface na rin ang video niya may 9 na taon na ang nakararaan nang mag-guest siya sa NA's LA-based reality show American Hustle Life. Napag-usapan dito kung paano gusto na ni Jungkook na at that time ay 17 pa lamang na maging adult na. Naikwento niya rin kung paano ang daddy niya raw ay talagang smoker at nag-request pa rito na tumigil na. Pero, kamakailan, masaya rin itong ibinalita na nai-give up na ng ama ang paninigarilyo. But, seeing Jungkook smoking, naging comment ng ilang netizen.